Maxfield, an agronomic service rep with Syngenta Crop Protection. Today we're in Ephrata, Washington at the Grow More Experience site looking at a potato foliar fungicide trial. And we're starting here in treatment number 1. This is the untreated check. And we're going to walk down the row looking at the foliage. We're pretty late in the season. We're here on the 23rd of August. And so this is really evaluating late season senescence and how some of these fungicide programs are holding up for late season bulking. You can see that a lot of the vines have died down here in treatment 1. Now here in treatment 2, we're looking at the Tranquility program. All these programs with fungicides started with Bravo Weather Stick at 1.5 pints per acre. And this treatment went right into Tranquility at 11.2 fluid ounces per acre. You can see a little bit more green tissue in the vines, leading to some late season bulking, but really a lot of senescence has occurred in this crop. Here in treatment 3, we moved into Miravis Prime fungicide. This was put into the same position as Tranquility for early blight control and white mold suppression. This was applied at 11.4 fluid ounces per acre. And we're going to kind of look at the vines, and you can see a remarkable difference in green leaf tissue in the crop. So here in treatment 4, this is an omega treatment at white mold timing at 8 fluid ounces, followed by Miravis Prime at 11.4 fluid ounces in the C and D timing. We'll see a pretty big difference in the amount of green leaf and green tissue that you have in the crop right now, which is leading to some late season bulking and will definitely show up in yield. Here's the final treatment, treatment 5. This is looking at Miravis Prime in a late position, really to target some of that early blight that comes in late in the season. And you can see that at 11.4 fluid ounces per acre in the D and E timing, there's a significant amount of green tissue here in this crop that'll lead to some big gains in bulking late in the season. This last look is just a look at the untreated check on the end to really compare versus that Miravis Prime program. And now that harvest finished up here at the Grow More Experience site in Ephrata, Washington, we get to look at the yield for these plots in this foliar fungicide trial. The untreated check yielded 28 total tons of potatoes per acre. And as we move into the fungicide programs, we saw an increase in tonnage. The Tranquility program yielded 30.6 tons. The Miravis Prime program yielded 31.7 tons. The Omega at white mold timing, followed by Miravis Prime program, yielded 32.3 tons. And the Quadris Top, followed by Miravis Prime late program, yielded 30.8 tons.